Hello, in this video we will be doing 5 minus 2 plus 4. We'll be solving this expression. So let's recall PEMDAS. Which is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So it says to do parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. But we don't have addition and parentheses, exponents, multiplication, or division. So we just have to focus on addition and subtraction in this problem. So there is no multiplication or division. So according to the order of operations, these two we do, since there is no multiplication or division or any parentheses or exponents, we do it from left to right. So we would do 5 minus 2, and then we would take that result and add it to 4. So let's do that. So let's break into two mini problems. Let's do 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we have 3 over here. Now let's take the 4. So 3 plus 4 is what? It is 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So the answer to this equation is 7. So 5 minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. Thank you.